With its bright, blue plumage with iridescent reflections, thick long beak, and short legs, the raven is a large bird, dressed entirely in black. It often moves in groups and colonizes fields, which historically led to its decimation by humans due to the damage it caused to crops and small livestock. Dark and noisy, and often associated with witches causing commotion during their sabbaths, the raven lives in woods and wild places. It communicates through hoarse and high-pitched cries, which it emits while soaring like a raptor before swooping down on carrion, attracted by its flesh and the insects covering it. It also consumes mice, snakes, and other birds. Spellcasters claimed that by making the image of a black man appear, dressed in a black jacket under the raven's wing, the person wearing this jacket would be filled with anger, boldness, courage, and malevolence, along with having bad dreams. The jacket was said to have the power to both repel and gather demons, serving the malice of men, demons, and winds. There would also be no rest for someone carrying a raven's heart, as they would stay awake until they discarded it. Since time immemorial, witches have passed down their miraculous recipes. It was said that a raven's egg, beaten in a copper vase and applied to a shaved head, would turn the hair black. However, to ensure the charm worked without blackening the teeth, one had to keep oil in their mouth until the hair dried. The raven is often depicted in picture books perched on a witch's shoulder. An ominous bird, it is considered the sorcerer's messenger, speaking with them and informing them of their dark master's will. According to ancient beliefs, the raven was one of the doves released by Noah when, after long navigation, he wanted to check if the waters had receded. One bird returned with an olive branch in its beak. The other never returned to the ark, too busy devouring the corpses it found along its path. The foul odors it encountered supposedly soaked into its plumage, turning it from white to black. Ranked 39th in the list of demons in the Lemegton, a treatise on ritual magic from the late 16th century, Malphas is a great president of the underworld, leading 40 infernal legions. He appears as a raven but can also take human form. He speaks in a hoarse voice, builds invulnerable citadels and towers, demolishes enemy fortifications, and finds good workers. However, he deceives those who perform sacrifices in his honor. On the moors, high plateaus, by ponds, amid the ruins of old keeps, ancient enclosures, demolished old churches, and near abandoned cemeteries, witches hold their sabbaths. When sorcerer priests say mass, they use a chalice and a black host, which they take while pronouncing the words black raven, to invoke the devil.